Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Rockstar Social Club account. So let's get started and see how that can be done. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and search for rockstarsocialclub.com and hit enter. Then we shall see the official site of Rockstar Social Club. Now to create a new account, tap on sign up option. Then put in your date of birth, I'll put mine, and tap on next. Here you can go through the terms and conditions and tick this box to accept the policies and terms of Rockstar Social Club. Then tap on next button. Now to create a new account, you'll need to enter your email address. You can create a password with one uppercase letter and one number in it. You can choose a nickname for yourself and then select your country. After all that is done, tick this box if you want to receive emails from Rockstar Games about the upcoming events. Then tap on next. Now it will ask you to solve a puzzle to verify yourself, so tap on verify. After you have solved the puzzle, you'll land on this page. Here you can see your social club account has been successfully created. Now you can manage your profile privacy such as profile visibility. After that is done, tap on continue and you can get started. So that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. We'll be back with more such videos and I'll see you soon.